Have you ever thought about launching your own real estate website? In just a few minutes, we're going to build a complete, professional-looking real estate directory in WordPress, and we'll do it all with the theme and its one-click demo importer.
All right, let's get right into it. The first thing we need to do is get our theme and all the necessary plugins installed and activated inside of WordPress.
So first up, you need a theme that's actually built for directory websites. One that has all the features for listings, search, and maps baked right in. For this, we're using the Listdom theme. The great thing is, you can find and install it for free right from the official WordPress theme repository.
Okay, so inside your WordPress dashboard, just head over to Appearance and then Themes. From there, you'll click Add New, then Upload Theme. Now just select that zip file you downloaded and get it installed. As soon as you activate the theme, you'll see a little prompt pop up to install some required plugins. Think of these like apps that add all the cool features to your site, like advanced search or map integration. You'll want to go ahead and install and activate every single one of them. This is really important to make sure the demo content imports smoothly.
Now that all the setup is done, we can get to the really fun part. We're about to use the one-click importer, which is going to automatically build out the entire website for us with some awesome, professionally designed content. You should see a new Listdom menu in your dashboard now. Go ahead and click on that and then open up the demo importer. This is where you'll see all the different pre-built site designs you can choose from.
So from all the options here, just find and select the Real Estate Directory demo. On the next screen, it's super simple. You just need to confirm your choice by clicking Continue and Import.
And now the importer is off and running, building out your site. This part might take a few minutes, so the most important thing here is to just be patient. Don't refresh or close this page until you see that success message, okay? And just like that, it's all done. The import is finished. So let's go check out the final result, your brand new, fully functional real estate directory.
And there it is. Your site is live. You've got a professional homepage, a working search form, and even sample property listings already filled in for you. It's basically a complete website right out of the box.
You can start digging into the site's more advanced features right away, like this cool interactive map search and the detailed listing pages. From this point on, you're all set to start swapping out the demo content with your own properties. And there you have it. You have now successfully launched a fully functional real estate directory. If you have any questions or need help, you can contact Listdom support.